Ah, found here. Let me search. Let me search the what I want to read. I am just doing my reading practice as an assignment. I do not have the uh, ready content to read, so I have read a knowledge sheet, and now I have come across a Facebook post which is long enough, and I will read. It is related to English. I do not know I should post it here, I should read it or not, because in the absence of content I am reading. I do not have any ready content to participate for reading. So I am reading this post itself. Are you ready to participate in the next grammar contest of Digital Writerpreneurs Hub on Saturday, September 27th, 2021 at 7 p.m.? If yes, type yes, I am ready below this post. After careful evaluation of the answers submitted on September 18, 2021, it has been found that there is no clear winner at this time. I even waived question number 6 for each member as it was reported to be a difficult one. And this has happened for the first time in Digital Writerpreneurs history that we are not distributing any cash prizes. Last Saturday, 5 members received prizes, and in 2 years, we have conducted several contests and winners were selected. Even after seeing a winner list this time, some of the members have commented, "Sir, winning is not important. For us, participation and continuous improvement is very important. It is to improve ourselves. Sir, I don't care about money, but learning is priceless. Sir, these contests are helping me overcome my grammar and editorial challenges. I can see myself improving every Saturday. Please carry on." If you have found benefit from these contests, then please send your feedback and we'll add this to your broadcast. Although these are fun trivia contests and not serious ones, we must never forget the importance of good grammar, editing, and proofreading skills to become a quality writer. Based on the feedback received from many working professionals and students who are very busy at 11 a.m., we are changing the time of these contests to every Saturday 7 p.m. Now we hope that a maximum number of writers will be able to participate. And yes, this time the questions will be easy. Hope to see you in. Then there are the joining links. It's on Instagram. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and I have done this as a reading assignment in this group. Thank you. Bye.